Alright, viewers, I guess lightning does strike twice. If you don't know what I mean, look under my lemon replacement video. This was a replacement to a lemon car, which was a Dodge Dart, full of electrical gremlins. This is an 18 Jeep Compass Trailhawk. Well, at about, I don't know, 19,000 miles, I went to check the oil just because I was working on another vehicle, and it didn't even read on the dipstick. So I got under, I checked the oil filter, the oil plug. They were tight, they were good. The oil had been changed about 1,200 miles before that. Took it up to the shop, they mingled around with it, checked it out, said they didn't think it was a problem, it burns oil, blah blah blah, which it don't burn. That's what, nearly 3 quarts low in a 5-quart engine. But anyway, we put it in, put some more oil in. In fact, we changed the oil at the dealership, make sure everything was on good. A week or so later, I was 1.5 quarts low. Well, you know, I can buy the theory that a newer engine could possibly burn 1/2 quart in, I don't know, every 5,000 miles or something. I mean, I could buy that theory. But even though I've never added oil between oil changes in a vehicle in my life, one that I bought from new anyway. Took it back up. They put some dye in the oil, changed the oil again, put some dye in it, told me to go drive it. What was it, about 800 miles or so later? We've had this about 1 year. Brand new. We bought it. It was this is what we chose for the replacement vehicle. I looked in and it was 2 quarts low. I'm checking the plugs and everything. I don't see anything, and then I go back to the exhaust and I put my finger in there and it's like peanut butter, black peanut butter. You know, it's burning oil through, it's coming out the exhaust. So I took it back up to the dealership. They ran their tests and stuff and kept it in there for about 6 weeks and total, and decided that you know, there was a problem with the cylinders. It was burning oil was coming out the tailpipe. That's the short version. Anyway, the engine was faulty. Now, I had heard 1 or 2 of these 2.4 liter engines in the past had to be replaced because of that. You know, there may have been more, but that's just something that I found real quick. Okay, so they said, we're going to replace your engine. They did their tests and stuff. So, you know, it was in the shop about 6 weeks. So that is a brand new engine. It's got 0 miles. Well, I guess it's probably got 200 now. Just checked it out of curiosity. Not a drop of oil missing. So, brand new engine. So I guess the good news is the engine starts with 0 miles. The car's probably got 28, 29, I'm not exactly sure. Maybe 27, I don't know. But anyway, so the engine had to be replaced, and my dealership was awesome. I mean, awesome. They worked with me. They even give us a loaner car. So I can't fault them. You know, it's just one of those things, I guess. I guess I need to go play the lottery. See if my 3rd strike is a lottery or something. But anyway, so if you've got a 2.4 liter, I think they call these Tiger Sharks, but I'm not exactly sure, and you've got problems with burning a lot of oil, you might want to, you know, push your dealer on that issue. You know, they're going to check it and verify it and everything, but hey, if it's burning oil excessively, it's certainly worth doing. So I've always had the 3.6 liter Pentastars and never had an issue ever with them. And I've had the 5.7 Hemi engines in our trucks. And our Jeep Wranglers was the 3.6. No issues with them. You can go 6,000 miles between oil changes and it's not even moved off the dipstick. So, there you go. Like I said, this car was a replacement to a Lemon that the factory bought back, which was a, I forgot, you know. I said it at the beginning of the video. Dodge Dart, there you go. So that's a brand new engine, and hope anybody that's having trouble, maybe it'll help them. Maybe they should take it to the dealership and push that issue. All right, guys and gals, that's all I got for you today. As always, thank you for watching.